Thank you, Taylor. It's 5:51. Every Monday in May, we're talking about mental health. This morning, we're hearing from experts on how to prioritize your health and find positive treatments. 7 News' Christine Scarpelli is live in Greenville with doctors at Prisma Health. Good morning.
Good morning, Fred. Absolutely. Yeah, Prisma Health is on board with us. We're looking at the medical side of mental health this morning with Dr. Burson here. So glad to have her. She dealing with the younger ones in our population, our children, as almost pediatricians may, and then may refer to you. So we are talking about depression, anxiety, just not feeling right. Especially during the pandemic, we're seeing a lot of it. But with children, parents can play a huge role in finding something that just might not be right. How in the world do they even start as they watch this morning?
Right, that's a big question.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So I think spending the time with your kids and just giving them the space to talk is absolutely a great way to start.
How can that? How do we do that?
Yeah, how do you find time in this chaotic environment? And so really it can be just as simple as a car ride, spending time with them and just talking and getting to know them. The other things that we can do is just seeing if we've noticed any behavioral changes or any changes in our children that are different, just don't make sense.
What could that look like?
Yeah, so keeping to themselves, right? Changes in sleep patterns, changing in the way that they're eating as well. Those are some clues that maybe they're not themselves lately, and could be a time to ask some more questions.
As they're young and they develop these sort of symptoms, it can be helpful to really touch on them when they're young, right? That only helps as they become an adult.
Yes, yeah. So as is true with almost any diagnosis or anything that we work with, the earlier that we're able to catch a problem, the better the outcome. So if we can intervene early, we can see benefits.
Very good. Okay, and that may mean a combination of a medicine with a type of therapy or seeing a counselor. We're going to talk a little bit about what some of the treatment may look like this morning. Starting with a primary care physician, guys. You can do that right there. Find one, prismahealth.org. And then that next step we're going to talk about a little bit later also is, of course, finding a therapist. Easy ways to do that as well. Much more at WSPA.com. We'll send it back to you.
Great information there. Thank you, Christine. Sabila?
Fred, coming up here on Carolina Morning, most teens hate it, but parents love it. Today is now.